In this video I am going to show you how to pause Reels on Instagram and Facebook. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app and hit their @Reels icon. Now, if you want to pause a reel, you can just hold down your finger on that reel, and while you are holding down your reel, it keeps being paused, and once you released your finger, video starts playing. You can just hold down and then release your finger to pause it. Now let me show you how to pause a reel on Facebook. So open up the Facebook app and now scroll down until you find Reels and short videos. You can just tap on any reel to play it, and now if you want to pause it, you can just tap there once, and now it's paused. And to play this video again, just tap on the screen once again. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.